explain evidence as to affairs of state under Section 129 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. Evidence relating to affairs of state is a type of privileged communication under the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. The law gives protection to certain official documents and records of the government because disclosure of such information may harm public interest, state security, or government administration. According to Section 129 of the Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, no one shall give evidence derived from unpublished official records relating to any affairs of state except with the permission of the officer at the head of the department concerned, who may grant or refuse such permission as he thinks fit. This means that a person cannot disclose information taken from confidential government records unless permission has been granted by the head of the concerned department. The purpose of this provision is to protect state interests and public welfare. Certain documents may contain sensitive information relating to national security, defense matters, foreign affairs, or important government decisions. Disclosure of such matters may adversely affect the interests of the country. For this section to apply, the following essential conditions must be satisfied. The document must be an unpublished official record. The document should belong to the category of official government records that have not been published or made available to the public. The document must relate to affairs of state. The document should be connected with matters concerning the state, such as administration, defense, public security, or government policies. Only when both conditions are fulfilled can the privilege under this section be claimed. In Manubhai Mehta case, it was held that once the court determines that the document is an unpublished official record, the decision whether privilege should be claimed or not rests with the head of the department concerned. Illustration: suppose a person seeks production of a confidential defense report containing military information before the court. Such a report is an unpublished official document relating to affairs of state. Therefore, it cannot be disclosed without permission from the concerned government department. In state of Punjab versus Sondhi Sukhdev Singh, the Supreme Court observed that public interest is the highest law. The court further stated that care must be taken to ensure that private interests do not wrongly take shelter under the name of public interests. This principle is based on the Latin maxim Salus Populi est suprema lex, which means the welfare of the people is the supreme law. Thus, Section 129 protects confidential state records from disclosure where public interest and national welfare may be affected. The law gives great importance to public interest than individual interest and seek to maintain the security and proper functioning of the state.